the Uganda People's Defense Forces. Bravo! The Uganda People's Defense Forces carrying out a massive charcoal operation. Massive! There are roadblocks everywhere. Even charcoal being carried inside the car, they have to open. I even had to open my car. But there is a big roadblock at Ashwa. All the charcoal found is kept at the roadside. In Amoro, I hear there is the same operation. I think we need to thank the UPDF leadership. Personally, as Otto, I want to say thank you, Uganda People's Defense Forces, for saving our environment. Long live UPDF, long live Executive Order. Bravo and thank you so much. And Ugandans, it's about time, start using gas. You are buying charcoal at 90,000 a bag, 105,000 a bag. Try gas. The government should campaign and teach people that gas is far cheaper than charcoal. Please, and thank you UPDF, save our environment. It's not about Acholi land, it's not about Kigezi land, it's about Uganda land. This country is small. If you fly over Uganda in a plane, 30 minutes in an Airbus A350, you would have crossed the country. That means if Gulu dries, Kampala will suffer. If Kampala dries, Kigezi will suffer. If Arua dries, Jinja would suffer. So let's save our environment and we go for gas. Let's get charcoal out. Even women, if a man is dating you and bringing you to a house where they're using charcoal, really, just tell the man you are not my class. The campaign should become sociological. Otherwise, thank you so much, Uganda People's Defense Forces. Thank you, General Muhoozi. Congratulations.